Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will make this model. I will draw from this view. Oh no, from this view. This front. This is the side. Okay, click the new. Click the model and then click the name. Shortcut M. And then enter. Sorry for bracket. Okay, I will select this plane and then okay. After that I will rotate this like this. Okay, I will use this profile from this to this, this, like this, this, and this. Okay, after that I will give the dimension from this to this is 16. This, then give the 16. Okay, after that I will choose this, then I will select this rapid dimension, select this to this 16, then select this line and then select this vertical. After that I will give the dimension from this to this is 20. Yeah, 20. Okay, from this to this is 13. And then after that IC for this dimension is 52. From this to this is 52. And then we'll make this like this line, this to this, and then click this, select this, like this, right click and then right click and then convert to reference. Like this and then convert to reference. Okay, after that I will define this diameter or define this dimension is 64. Select this to this 64. Okay, from this to this I will define also 20, 82 and then 22. Click 22 plus 82 plus 20. Then close. The sketch is fully constrained. I'm going to finish sketch, going to this and then select this and then click this extrude, select this line, this line, connected curve and then this. Okay, already done. I will select the symmetric value. After select the symmetric value I will give the dimension, the thickness is 22 plus 22, so 44. 44, enter. 44 twice, get, and then apply. After that, cancel, and then going to the symmetric view, select this, then 22, enter. Select this edge, also select this edge, and this edge also, and this edge also, and then apply. After that, I will make the radius also for this is 14. Here, select this edge, and then rotate, select this edge, apply, and then cancel. After that, I will make hole in this area. I will sketch first, and then click OK. After click OK, you must make this circle. The circle is 22 diameter. Click this, and then this 22, and then you see the hole is through all. Finish sketch. After that, going to this trimetric view, select extrude, and then select this line or select this circle, and then I will reverse the direction, and then going to this, and then through all. After that, I will apply. You can see the hole is already made it. After that, I will make this slot also. Okay, select the sketch, click this area, and then okay. After that, I'm going to make this, and then make like this, and then give the dimension from this to the center is 20. Click this, for this to this line is 20, enter. After that, you must give the diameter. The diameter is 16. Click 16, enter, and then I will make this line, then click this line, and then click this line and this circle, and then select tangent. Select this line and this circle, select this circle and this, select this circle, and then this circle as tangent. After that, I will make this line also from this to this. After that, I will make vertical, and then coincident to okay, cannot. After that, I will Ctrl Z, and then quick trim this line, and then finish sketch. After that, going to the trimetric view, and then going to the extrude, click this, and then press the direction, select the subtract command, and then apply. After that, your model is already done, and then you can going to the view and show or hide the sketch like this. Okay, after that I will save. Okay, going to this, going to the render, then through shading. After that, I'm going to this global material. I selected this color. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you on the next time and the next tutorial.